In this video, we'll continue from where we left off and focus on exporting models from the Classification Learner app to the MATLAB workspace. First, the Generate function feature. By pressing this button, MATLAB creates the code used internally by the Classification Learner app. This can be very useful if you want to train a model without repeatedly using the app, or if you need reproducible code to share. Although I won't use this feature right now, it's helpful to know about. To save our current session, click on Save Session and name it appropriately. For example, you could name it Classification Learner Session and click Save. Next, we have several options for exporting models. For example, export model or export model for deployment. So we will choose export model because it means to export model for further analysis or testing within the MATLAB. If you want to deploy the model outside MATLAB, you should choose the export model for deployment. So we choose to click export model, name it as KNN, and press OK. This model is now saved in your workspace. Similarly, you can export other trained models. With the models now in your workspace, you can easily use them. Here's a quick look at a script prepared in advance. On the right-hand side of the workspace, you should see your exported models stored as a structure. In the live editor, you can interact with these models as follows. Extract test inputs from your test dataset, focusing only on predictors or features. Define your labels as the classes. Use the model's predict function method to generate predictions for your test inputs. Further, calculate the number of incorrect predictions by comparing the test labels to the predicted labels. Subtract the number of incorrect predictions from the total number of items to get the number of the correct predictions. Here, the total number of items is obtained using the height test dataset. Finally, compute the accuracy as the percentage of correct predictions out of the total number of items. So if we run the script, here we can see the test accuracy and the details for the misclassifications with the confusion matrix. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.